Okay, pair of linear equations in two variables. I think you have heard some words, no? So let us try to understand the topic name first. Okay, pair of. Pair means the sense jote. You all know, right now? Okay, linear equations. How many of you know linear equations? Everybody know the meaning of linear equation. Can I get answer? Linear equation. Newton. Newton. Can you define linear equation? Newton. Newton, are you there? He's not speaking. Okay. Pratham Bhatt. Pratham Bhatt.
Mataji.
Yes. Do you know the meaning of linear equations?
Mm-hmm.
Don't know. You forgot the answer. Okay, Rashmi. Rashmi, good morning.
Good morning, Mataji.
What is the meaning of linear equations?
Equation which show relationship of variables.
Which variable?
Variables.
Variables.
Variable.
Variables. I think you all forgot the answer, no? In the last year, in 9th standard, you have studied, no? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So, how can we identify linear, quadratic, cubic based on the degree, no? So, linear in the sense, if the variable power is 1, exactly degree is 1, then it is called as linear. If the degree is 2, then it is called as quadratic. If the degree is 3, then it is called as cubic. So, according to that condition, linear equations in the sense, equation which is having the highest degree is 1. That is called as linear equation. So, now let us come to the chapter name, pair of linear equations in two variables. You have already studied that linear equations in two variables, right? Two variables in the sense, the equation which contains two variables. Like we are taking the variables as x and y. We are using the variables as x and y. Okay. Okay. So, x and y, we are using x and y, linear equations in two variables. Last year we have studied, correct, no? So, the equation which is having the variable degree is 1, that type of equation, and having two variables is called as linear equations in two variables. But in the 10th standard, you are going to study pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair in the sense, ಜೊತೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು equation ಅನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ pair of linear equations in two variables. We call it as pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, I think you have got the idea of the chapter name. So, can we recall the general form of the linear equation in two variable? Last year we have studied, no, general form of two variables. Okay, I'll write the general form in the board. You just try to observe that one. So, we will take the general form as ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. Okay, I think ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. The general form of linear equation is look like ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so here a B, C. What we call for this A, B and C, A, B, C are real numbers. Here in this linear equation, A, B, C are real numbers. Are you observing X and Y here? So X and Y are variables. Got the idea of this one, no? So the general form of linear equations in two variables is AX plus BY plus C which is equal to 0. In that A, B, C are real numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any real number or root numbers, root 5, root 2, whatever number, negative number, real numbers. To definition you have got the idea of in 9th standard, no, real numbers. Okay, A, B, C are real number. Here you are observing X and Y because we are taking two variables here. That's why X and Y are the variables. Variables in the sense which we can vary. So substitution 1, no, 2, 3, 4, whatever we need the value, no? So we can substitute. X and Y are variables. X and Y are variables. This is the general form of the linear equations in two variables. Okay, now let us come to our topic. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So one equation look like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು pair of linear equation that is also same type no ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 but ಒಂದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ so what we have to do we have to give another name how can we give the another name so that is we will write I'll write here 1 minute. See, you just observe ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Here we need to pair, no? So another one equation we need. I'll take that is also ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. But here we cannot take like this, right? Because same equation. We have to give little bit difference between the two equations, no? What we have to do for that? A1x, B1y, C1. First equation, Anna, let us take it as A1x plus B1y plus C1 which is equal to 0. Okay, na? Second one, you can give the answer, no? Second one, how can we take second one? Let us. Preeti, can you give second one answer? How can we write the second? Huh?
8x plus
Huh?
b2y
Okay, then.
plus c2 is equal to 0.
Yes, very good, very good. So you have got the idea of this topic now, pair of linear equations in two variables?
Ha, Mataji.
Yes, okay. Okay, so you have got the idea of the chapter name, okay? Pair of linear equations in two variables. Standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 which is equal to 0. Okay, this is the chapter name actually, pair of linear equations in two variables. So first I'll write one example, okay, for this. So example is, can I take 2x plus 3y which is equal to 6? Is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Okay, we will ask question now. Question for Nitin. Nitin, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Nitin, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Can I take it as example for linear equation in two variables?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, can you give one more expression, one more equation?
7x plus half y is equal to 14.
7x plus half y which is equal to 40. Yes, of course, right answer. Okay, so now we are observing the pair of linear equations in two variables. The two equations, linear equations in two variables in the pair. ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎರಡು. So together we call this as pair of linear equations in two variables. Now I think you have got the idea of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here you are observing A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. What are these? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. These are real numbers. Here x and y are variables depending upon the equation. X and y are variables. Now let us discuss that x and y now. Okay. Yes. So now I'll take the concept solution of the linear equation. Do you know what is solution of the linear equation? Can we ask this question for somebody? Solution. Yes. Can we talk with Shantika? Shantika?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Solution. What is solution of the equation?
Mataji, if we solve linear equation, then we get answer. That can be called as solution.
Okay, if we solve the linear equation, then we get answer. Okay, nice answer. It's okay. Linear equation in two variable. When it comes to two variable part, solution in the sense. So let us take the word solution. Now we are discussing solution. Okay, solution. I'll take the first example, 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 6. So this is an example for 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 is an example for linear equations in two variable. Now we have to verify solution. For what numbers we are calling as solution. Okay, na? So x and y. Here this 2 and 3 constant. Okay, we cannot change 2 and 3 fixed value. Okay, this 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This 2, 3 and 6 are fixed. You cannot change. Only the chances are x and y variables which we can vary. Okay, na? Yes. Now x and y. We are discussing about the solution. Okay, solution in the sense. First, substitute x is equal to. So can anyone give the answer for this question? Yes, we'll talk with Shri Harsha. Shri Harsha?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, can you give the solution for this 2x plus 3y is equal to 6? First, x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ? Any value we can take? Can we take any value?
3.
3 ಹಾಕೋಣ. Okay, x is equal to 3. Then y is equal to?
Mataji, we have to find then.
We have to find. We have to find y value. Okay, while solving graph, we will explain this concept. Now we are discussing just solution andre yavudu anteli. Okay na? X is equal to 3. Shri Harsha gave the answer. Okay, I'll take y is equal to 0. I'll take y is equal to 0. Why I put y is equal to 0? I'll show here. So 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 6 is our equation, right now? Okay, now according to Shri Harsha, x place I'll substitute 3 plus 3 into, according to me, I'll put 3 into 0, which is equal to 6. Now you just observe 2 3s are 6 plus 3 into 0, 0, which is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 is equal to 6. What you are observing in this equation actually, equation in the sense equal LHS side and RHS side. Equation antandrene meaning ade alva. Equal LHS must be balanced with the RHS. Okay, so now you just observe by substituting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0, we have got LHS is equal to RHS. Now what is the value here? 3, x place ali 3, y place 0. Can we take this 3, 0 as a solution now? Yes. So we can take 3, 0 as solution. Okay na? Simply we cannot take x value, y value nimge ishta bandang tagolak barodilla. So on substituting x and y value properly, then LHS must be equal to RHS, then that x and y value are called as solutions of the equation. Got the idea, no? Can we try one more? Now you have got the idea, no? 3, 0 is a solution of the equation. Do you agree with this? Why 3, 0 is solution of the equation? Because LHS balanced with RHS. I'll take one more example now to understand this topic. Same equation we will take. So now substitute. Mansik bandid value hakana. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. Okay, let us take x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. So let us check whether x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 is a solution or not. We will check now. So 2 into x place 1 plus 3 into y place 2, which is equal to 6. Okay na? So then after simplification, 2 ones are 2 plus 3 2s are 6, which is equal to here right hand side it is 6 is there. Now clearly observe this one. 6 plus 2 is 8. Is it equal to 6? No, it is not equal to 6. So here LHS not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So now can we say that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2? Solution of the linear equation, given linear equation? No. So this x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is not a solution of the linear equation. Now you have got the idea of the solution, no? Solution in the sense value of the x and y variables which satisfies the condition that LHS which is equal to RHS. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, x and y must be balanced with the LHS part and RHS part. Solution. Okay, so next, after the solution, now we have got the idea of the solution concept, no? Solution. Why we need solution? To represent the given equation graphically. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. In 9th standard you have observed, no? Represent this graphically ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, right? No, just recall 9th standard. Okay, how will you represent this 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 in the graph paper? So we will put box like this, x, y together. Solution form is always in the form of x comma y. First you have to take x value, then you have to take y value. So we will work out 3 values now. 1 minute.
ಅಶ್ವಿತ್, ನಾನ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ಇದು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಾ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. ಇದು ಕಾಣ್ತುಂಟಾ? ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಸರ್? ಹಾ
ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ.
ಓಕೆ. Okay, can we continue the class now? Okay, so we are discussing about the solution, right? Solution. Now you have got the idea of the solutions now. So the value of x and y which satisfy the LHS part and RHS part, okay, which is equal. So then we call that solutions, okay. That values are called as solutions of the equation. So when we represent this linear equation in two variables graphically, these solutions act like a point, okay na? So when we plot this point on the graph paper, when we plot this point on the graph paper, so we'll get linear equation in two variables. What type of graph will get? Can I get the answer? Okay, let us ask for Brahati. Sorry, Bhuwana. We'll speak with Brahati. Charan?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So when we draw the graph of linear equation in two variables, what type of structure will observe in the graph paper?
Mataji, vertical or horizontal?
Yes, vertical or horizontal? Line, no?
Line.
Yes, straight line. So we are observing linear equation in two variables when we represent in a graph paper. So we'll observe the straight lines, right? Straight lines in the sense it contains points. Points are nothing but solutions. Points andrene solutions. Ashtu solutions seri. So we'll get one straight line. So this is the topic of one line. It is about one line, okay? So if we draw the graph of two equation, pair of equations together, so we can observe two straight lines, no? How can we get the two straight lines at a time on the same graph paper? So that is actually today's topic. So before going to that topic, once I want to recall how to plot the graph, how to find out the solution, okay, for one linear equation in two variables. So you can take any example for that linear equation in two variables. So can we take the same example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y which is equal to 6. This is one linear equation in two variables. Now we have to represent this on the graph paper. What we have to find actually? We have to find the solution. That means points we have to work out. Okay. So how can we find out? So we have to put one box here. X, y together in the solution form. We'll write it as x comma y. First we have to write x value and second we have to take the y value. Okay, so can we work out two solutions now? So I'll explain two solution. You already know, just I want to recall. Okay, so first solution. So can I put x is equal to 0 to get the solution? Put x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of y? According to Sriharsha told, no? If you put x is equal to 0, then we have to work out what is the value of y. Simply we cannot guess, alva. Hagene nodidru gottagatte, but we will work out by the method. Okay, so okay, see here 2x plus 3y which is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y which is equal to 6. First, I put x is equal to 0 here. So, while finding x and y, you have to choose any one your value. Okay, x athwa y. Neevu yavadadru ondan substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Usually, first graph ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ always start with x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y we have to work on? That is, we will work out like this. Take the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, 6. So that is 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. Then 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 divided by 3. Y is equal to, what is the answer? Y is equal to, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Y is equal to 2, no? Right answer? Y is equal to 2. Okay. So 0, 2. First solution is 0, 2. Okay, 0, 2. So another one value, can we take y is equal to 0 now? So we will substitute y is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? We will check here in this equation only we will substitute. Okay, take x as it is. 3 into 0, that is 6. So 2x plus 0, which is equal to 6. So that is 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So x is equal to 3. So if we substitute y is equal to 0, you have got the value x is equal to 3. Okay, na? So these are the two solutions. 0 to 1 solution and 3, 0 another solution. By using these two solutions, we can easily draw the graph of the linear equation in two variable. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, na? So we need this topic in this class because I'll give the two equations now on the same graph paper. You have to locate. Okay, na? So you have to draw the graph of the 3 questions. So today I'll give 3 questions as homework for you. So first you have to write the linear equation first. Then you have to find the solution. Then you have to draw the graph of the equations. Then you have to observe what type of lines you are getting. So we'll get 3 type of situation. Okay, that you only have to observe. That is your today's work. Okay, can I give the questions now? So questions is like this. First question, it is in your textbook. You can open textbook also. So it is one small story. Akila went to a fair with rupees 20. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. If each ride cost rupees 3 and a game of hoopla cost rupees 4, represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So, got the idea of the situation? No, they are giving the situation. You have to write first algebraically, then you have to represent this situation graphically. Do you know the meaning of algebraic representation and graphical representation? Algebraic representation in the sense you have to write the equation. By reading the statement, two conditions are there. So you will get two linear equations in 2 variables. This is a pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay. So you have to write 2 equations first. Then you have to prepare the solution box table. Then you have to draw the graph. Okay. So in that graph, you have to observe how will you get the 2 straight lines. So on the same graph paper, you are getting two lines at a time, no? Then you will get different patterns. What type of patterns you will get, that you have to observe. Okay. So can I read this question again? Akila went to a fair with rupees 20. 20 rupees tagondu jatreke hogtale. She wanted to enjoy the rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of times, okay, number of rides she had on the giant wheel. If each ride cost rupees 3 and a game of hoopla cost rupees 4, represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, now first you have to decide which one we have to take y and which one we have to take x. That you have to decide. Then